Hey, I'm Mindie. This is the Daily Rage. I wanted to talk a little bit about passing in one day. As many of you know, Apex has this sale going on right now. It's 80% off. That's recurring. So there is no maximum in terms of how long it takes you to get the thing funded. You can just continue to trade until you either get it funded or you fail the account. If you fail the account, you have two options. Well, three options technically. One, you could cancel everything and say, screw this, I'm out. Two, you could just be patient and wait for your account to renew the next month. Or three, of course, you could hit the reset button. All are valid options depending on your goals, depending on your budget, all of these things. And regarding this pass in one day thing, many of you have heard me talk about this before. I'm not a huge advocate of trying to force that, trying to do it that way, because I feel like it just encourages you to create bad habits or to reinforce bad habits, which obviously is not the right goal. So I wanted to show you this though, because it is possible to do it if you have the right conditions. Now, I wasn't like super crazy today or like going nuts, but I did want to show you this. So you can see up here, this is my total. My total was 3,233. Obviously, there was a bunch of commission in that. And I was down a little bit at first. So I did pass in one day. I just set up this account this morning, 53,001. So I literally passed by $1. Now let's walk through what happened in terms of the price action. This is the micro NAS right now, but I was trading the NASDAQ earlier. The charts are going to look fairly similar. So I actually missed this whole nice downward move. This was pre-market. And when I turned my computer on and got my connection set up, it was doing this flatline. I'm like, seriously, come on. I mean, this nice move. And then I show up and it's like, we're just going to stop and stagnate and do nothing. Okay, fine. So then after the open, it had some really nice momentum. I was trading again the big NASDAQ and then was up here, somewhere up in here. And then I was literally 84 cents away from passing this thing. And I'm like, okay, that's just annoying at this point. But here's the main thing that I want to share with you today. What I used to do in the past that had me screw this up many times is when I would have just a little bit left. Like I just did this last week. I wrote about it in Mental Capital. I was $200 away from passing an account and I sized up. Why did I size up? Because I was like, I'll just take like a little tiny scalp move and just lock it in. And then price action went the opposite direction. So I had like a bigger risk on than I should have had. And that's what I've done. Who knows how many times? I was going to say 1,000 times, maybe that many, maybe more. But what I did today, when I was that close, I was like, okay, Knis, do not screw this up again. So what I did was I scaled down, dramatically down, all the way down to a micro and a single lot. And then I was like, okay, even if price action goes against me, that's fine. You know, I can take a little like $10 loss and still be within 11 bucks or $12 with commission of passing this thing. That is okay. I'm not going to just get crazy and mess it up. So that's what I did. I, locked in like basically $2 to get my 84 cents and then just a little bit extra. So, like I said, I just wanted to show you that it is possible. Again, I am not a huge advocate for this because, like I said, it can encourage you to just get into bad habits and try to trade too big and try to force things. That being said, today there was enough great price action with this rally that it did end up working out for me. Now, to be clear, many more of them don't work out for me. So there is a bit of luck involved in this situation. And even that being said, it's not a great day overall. I mean, look at this huge wicks on the daily chart, teensy tiny little body, similar to yesterday, although a bigger range. But still, this is the range down here. This is the average true range. Let me show you this. So average true range right now is 303.54. Our range today is only 169. But there was enough, earlier down, flattened out, and then enough up, and then just a little bit of down for me to be able to lock that in. So wishing you all the best of luck. If you need an 80% off coupon, It's above or below this video, depending on where you are watching it. Huge thanks to all of you who do tune in every day. I so appreciate you. I'm Mindie. Thanks so much for watching.